Vegetarian stir fry, a burst of flavor and wholesome goodness. Are you looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious meal that's packed with vibrant colors and fresh flavors? Look no further than this vegetarian stir fry recipe. Bursting with a variety of crisp and colorful veggies, tofu or tempeh for protein, and a savory sauce, this dish is a celebration of plant-based goodness. Preparation is a breeze, making it an ideal option for busy weeknights or when you want a satisfying meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own mouth-watering vegetarian stir-fry. Ingredients: 1. Assorted vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, and baby corn, sliced or chopped. 2. Firm tofu or tempeh, cubed. 3. Garlic, minced. 4. Ginger, grated. 5. Soy sauce or tamari for the sauce. 6. Sesame oil for cooking. 7. Optional toppings: toasted sesame seeds, sliced green onions, chopped cilantro. Instructions: 1. Prep your ingredients. Wash and chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Drain and press the tofu to remove excess moisture, then cut it into cubes. 2. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce or tamari with minced garlic and grated ginger. Adjust the quantities to suit your taste preferences. 3. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of sesame oil and let it heat up. 4. Add the tofu or tempeh to the skillet and cook until it turns golden brown and slightly crispy. Remove the tofu/tempeh from the skillet and set it aside. 5. In the same skillet, add more sesame oil if needed, then add the chopped vegetables. Stir-fry them for a few minutes until they become slightly tender but still retain their crispness. 6. Return the tofu or tempeh to the skillet with the vegetables. Pour the prepared sauce over the mixture and toss everything together to coat evenly. Continue cooking for another minute or two, allowing the flavors to meld. 7. Remove the skillet from heat. Your vegetarian stir-fry is now ready to be served. 8. Transfer the stir-fry to a serving dish and garnish with optional toppings like toasted sesame seeds, sliced green onions, or chopped cilantro for added freshness and visual appeal. Serve your vegetarian stir-fry over steamed rice, noodles, or quinoa for a satisfying and complete meal. The combination of colorful vegetables, protein-rich tofu or tempeh, and the savory sauce creates a harmonious balance of flavors and textures. Feel free to get creative and customize the stir-fry with your favorite vegetables or add additional spices and seasonings to suit your taste. This versatile dish allows you to experiment and make it your own. Not only is this vegetarian stir-fry a delightful sensory experience, but it's also a nutritious choice that celebrates the abundance of plant-based ingredients. Enjoy the vibrant flavors, nourish your body, and savor the joy of a wholesome, vegetarian meal that's both easy to prepare and immensely satisfying. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.